today we're at Circle K because I thought the member was gonna save me 50 cents. But how much does it cost to fill up GT Tony's car? How much does it cost? We'll see in just a second. It's at empty, so so they got his car tinted. Yay! It looks absolutely amazing. You like your tint, sir?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Oh no. Off at $63.20. But you can drink a little more. Okay. I did that for the clip. So no, you cannot drink a little more. This car eats my wallet. Oh, my wallet. Look, my wallet just called for me. Why are you using all my money on him? Why you do that? Why? To the car meet. Look right next to it. Alright guys, so I sold the SC, about an R32. Oh my god. We washed her all up, boys. So super clean. Control. Shit costs more than all of them. Oh my god. So nice. Dude, this like track build one. I seen them on TikTok. Oh, that's a manual. Damn. I see this guy on TikTok. Fucking sick, bro. Jeez. This is the first place I ever took my car. Well, not took my car, but like my Tacoma. Like this is like the first car event I ever came to. And now I have my own car in the little van, bro. Honestly, crazy to think about. Oh my god. Bridge, bro. Super clean. Clean, bro. And you single turbo. Dude, literally. Oh my god, this is the cleanest M4 I've ever seen. Jesus. M4 CS lights. God damn. Super clean. Alright, so we're starting with the POV drive with Connor. How's that look? Looks good?
Yes, sir.
And then we got Jose behind us. I just hope that there's not that much people like in the way or whatever, but you know, we got everything right here. We got Jose. Hello, Jose. I just hope that there's like not that much people freaking in the way. Oh, sc400, what the heck? So yeah, we're gonna like wait a second and then, are you excited? We just gotta hope that there's no people in the way, bro. There will be, but we'll just pass them. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be super sick, super exciting. Look at that scene, like sheesh. Looking kind of clean right now. Damn. Calling this sexy ass. Stance build? Yes, sir. By the way, I got more mods coming in. But yeah, we're gonna wait a minute or two so those trucks can get like a little farther deep in, and then we'll be done. We're gonna start off by like going slow first so we can like let the traffic go forward. And then we'll pick up the pace after. Like yeah guys, this is like a mini desert road. Hopefully the wind isn't too loud, but I think we should be fine. But yeah, right now we're just gonna take it slow. I might as well just pick it up a little bit, bro. What'd you think?
Bro, low-key, I like it.
We always gotta chill out a little bit because there's people in front of us. But yeah, guys, it looks so much better in the daytime. I feel like I push my car a little bit harder because I don't gotta be scared of freaking, like the last POV driver was freaking dark. So far, it's just, there's just people, and obviously, you know, we don't want to hurt anybody. We have no intentions of hurting anybody. I am not a professional. Do not do this at home, you know. Or maybe I am professional, who knows. But we just gotta take it slow and just chill. And hopefully it cleared up a little bit. So yeah, you know, I just let my phone. Oh. That just smacked the other part of my car so hard. Whatever you guys do, please do not drive your slammed, well, my car's not slammed, but your lowered car, you gotta raise it a little bit. Okay, there's like this mini section right here. This is fun, guys, but remember, if you ever do this, please be careful. Please be careful. I don't want anything bad to happen to any of you. You know, I'm being careful every time there's a car that passes by. Slow down. Don't be stupid. Don't risk other people's lives. You just gotta drive like a normal person, if you guys know what I mean. Okay, so look where we are. We just teleported here, babe. Look at that sea. Look at that. Oh, bro, so clean, bro. I can't really see my screen, but like, damn. There's Jose. All right, bro, that shit's hidden. But yeah, guys, we got another video dropping the day after I post this one, or 2 days after. I don't know, but that's when we're redoing the front lip, the side skirts, the rear lip, all that stuff, and then we're just gonna play around with the car to make it a little cleaner. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Leave a like and subscribe. I'm not gonna lie, dude, this summer heat is bubbling up my rap a little bit, bro. Places I never even knew, but you know, that's how it is in this hot ass desert. But we're gonna make our way back in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy, because we're ripping this shit up. All right, guys, round 2. Oh my, oh, it's canned. We just found this random ass road, so I don't know what's here. Careful with that dirt, bro. Oh my god. Why is there so much dirt everywhere? I just ate that. Guys, we just found a crazy new road. What the heck? Oh, gotta slow down. Damn. Damn, bro. This one's technical, dude. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Slow here, bro. I'm not really flooring it all the way down. I'm just easing into it because I don't know. Gotta take care of the car a little bit, you know. Happy. This is why you don't rev your car that much after you fucking, but you know, we do it for the content. Like and subscribe, because I'm basically killing my car for you guys. You know, we're gonna kill this car and then put an LS in it, but at the same time it's a 1UZ, so it's never gonna explode. But this is literally just from filling. This happened before. The car runs amazing. I just gotta probably top it off again on coolant, bruh. But yeah, I just gotta top it off again on coolant. But right now we're just gonna let the engine cool off, you know, let everything cool off, because it overfills. And there's like you guys see that tube? Hold on, see that tube? Like it's somewhere right there, and it just, I guess all the pressure of me revving it just, so it's either I get a new hose or whatever. But I'm gonna let her cool off for a little bit. You know, she's been doing great today. We gotta take care of her. Person, bro, you don't see them. It looks so. Hey, what's the retail on one of those? Hey, stop sign, retard. Go. So clean, bro. No way that's what you guys see. Now I get the hype. Sometimes I'm like, oh, my car's alright. Let's check the tires real quick. Tires are still smoking new, bro. Maybe because we're not doing the spin class. Okay, so we just finished. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, like, comment, whatever, you know, because the more like interactions or whatever I get with the video, obviously the more I'm upload it. Oh no, too close. But I'm about to start the other video. You know, we're gonna do installation of our lip and everything, so it's gonna be tiring. It might take me more than a day, so stay tuned for that video, and then we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.